What is up, guys? It is Friday, August 12th at 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And in about 15 minutes, we are going to be opening Mobil 7-Eleven gas station and car wash. So, please sit tight. Alright, guys, the site will be opening in 10 minutes, so please sit tight. Alright, guys, we'll be opening the site in 5 minutes, so sit tight a little longer. Hang in there. Alright, YouTubers, it is 1 minute before 7 o'clock, and it is almost time for the barrier smashing. So sit tight. We're about to strike 7 o'clock. Alright, guys, it's now 7 o'clock. Time to take this down. We are now open. So, to start this opening off, I'm going to show you the regular gas pumps. So that's going to be regular, special, and super plus. These would be the yes and no buttons. And for selecting the car wash, there would be Works Plus, Works, Deluxe, and Express. That's the yes and no, Works, Works Plus, Deluxe, and Express. And that will wrap it up for the gas pumps, and there's your Mobil sign. Next up, we have the diesel gas pumps. These are only 91 octane, and you have the yes and no buttons, because some diesel vehicles are too big to go in the car wash. And that's it for the diesel pumps. Next, we have the Food Mart. And inside we go. And yes, it is a 7-Eleven. And we have storage shelves. We're going to have Slurpees. And that's the emergency exit alarm. It's a STI. Now these are the public restrooms. That's a urinal. There's only one stall in the men's. It's just a handicap stall. This is the women's restroom. I just had to add a mirror. This is made out of birch wood. This is the emergency exit. There's your STI alarm. There's your counter where you pay. We're going to go behind the counter. This is the employee only area. This is where we restock all our items. Now this is the exit door. Anyways, that is it for the Food Mart. Alright, now next we have the car wash menu board. We have our Works Plus for $14. We We have our undercarriage wash, rocker panel blaster, tire and wheel cleaner, color star foam or tri-foam, foam bright, double pass foam bright wash, color wave, ice tinge and shine, rain shield, clear coat protectant, spot for rinse and air dry. Next is our Works Wash with $12. It includes the Deluxe Wash Plus, but it may minus some features of the Works Plus. The Deluxe Wash includes the Express. And the Express Wash is our basic wash. You just have foaming pre-soak, foam bright wash, spot for rinse and air dry. And that will wrap it up for the car wash menu. And here's the best part, the car wash. Car wash entrance. Clearance is 84 inches or 7 feet. And there's your pay station, enter code. You have your Works Plus, Works Deluxe, and Express. As you go in, you have your undercarriage plate. And we have a Ryko Soft Gloss Max 5. And we have green and red brushes. And right here is the spot for your rinse arch. And these are your Ryko Slimline dryers. Dry through slowly. Do not back up. Here's your car wash exit. Do not enter sign. And now that is it for the walkthrough. Now we're going to go through the car wash, and we are going to get our Works Wash package, the Works Plus Wash package. We're going to press that button, and here we go. It's our undercarriage. Going. Stop. The rocker panel blaster. Now here goes the tire and wheel cleaner. This is very light. Now the color star foam or tri-foam. And it literally smells like bubblegum. Here come the brushes. Now it's the top brush. Now it's cleaning up the car. Now this comes to a stop. We're getting our freshwater rinse. And now here goes the second wash cycle. This is the second pass. Top brush, and now it's going again. Now here goes the next freshwater rinse. Here comes the color wave. It literally smells like cotton candy. Next is our waterfall rinse. Now here's the Ice Instant Shine. This will make your car smelling nice and shiny. Because our Works Plus wash comes with most of the waxes. And this is the freshwater rinse again. Rain Axe. Or Rain Shield, I meant. Sorry. We're getting our Rain Shield. This one smells good too. We're getting our clear coats. Now you exit slowly. We get our spot-free rinse. Are exiting slowly through the dryer. Now that was our Works Plus. Now we are going to get the regular Works Wash. Now click Works Wash. Now you get our undercarriage wash. Our Works Plus includes the Works. Our Works includes the Deluxe. We're getting our rocker panel blaster because we just got our undercarriage. Now we are getting our tire and wheel cleaner. So it's putting soap on the tires and wheels. Tri-foam, color star foam. Now you get the brushes. Top brush. Now it's still washing. Now it's going to wash the back. Next, we're getting our freshwater rinse. This is the second wash cycle. Now the brushes stop and we're getting our rain shield. It smells like cherries. Clear coat. Now you exit slowly. We're getting our spot-free rinse and air dry as we exit. The front is getting dry while the back is still being sprayed with spot-free water. And that was our Works Wash. Next is our Deluxe Wash, which includes the Express. Now we're just going to select the Deluxe Wash. We still do have undercarriage with our Deluxe Wash. And we're getting our foaming pre-soak instead of tri-foam. These are our brushes. Here comes the top brush. We're still washing. It's the clear coat protectants. Now it says exit slowly. We're getting our spot-free rinse and dry. Now that was our Deluxe Wash. Now the last but not the least is our lowest priced Express Wash for $8. And you just press the button, and there's no undercarriage. And we just start off with pre-soak. We're getting the brushes. There comes the top one. Alright, exit slowly. Proper rinse and air dry. Those were our wash packages. Now we are going to purchase a wash at the pump and get the Works Plus. I'm at the Works Wash, sorry. Now we're going to do regular. Please pay. Zoop, would you like to buy a car wash? Press yes or no. Yes. And which wash would you like? Express, Deluxe, Works, or Works Plus? I'm going to go with just the Works. Okay, that's $10. 16 gallons of gas plus $10. Now you take your receipt. Now we're going out. And we press the enter code button. Enter code. Our code is 75821. Thank you. Enter the wash now. We're getting our undercarriage. Oh, we get back up. We went a little too far. Stop. Now getting our high pressure one. I'm at rocker panel blaster. This is the tire and wheel cleaner. This one is silent. Now triple foam. Nice colors. Now you can hear the brushes. You and me, sorry, I just burped. Now, here comes the top brush. Now the freshwater rinse. Here goes the second passive wash. And this is the top brush. This is the rain shield. It literally smells like cotton candy. It's the clear coats. Now you're getting your air dry. And that was it for purchasing a wash at the pump and going through. Next, we are going to purchase a wash inside. And say, hey, I would like the Works Plus wash. Okay, that'll be $14. Alright. Hands $20 bill. I get $6 change. Thank you, have a good day. You tell. And I take the receipt. Now we're going to go into the car wash. We're going to enter code button 96254 36254. The code is invalid. Please try again. Nine 6254. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash. I stop. Getting a rocket panel blaster. The tire and wheel cleaner. This one's silent. Now this is the triple foam or color star foams. Here come the brushes. Here comes the top brush. This is the freshwater rinse. And here goes our second wash cycle. All the brushes will start going again. Now the top brush will come down. Now the machine will recenter. We're getting our color wave. Here it comes. It smells good. And this is the waterfall rinse. Oh no, the color wave is going away. Anyways, this is our Ice Instant Shine. That'll make the car looking nice and shiny. Next, we have another freshwater rinse. This is our rain shield. And we're getting our clear coats. Now you have to slowly getting our spot-free water. That is all for the car wash for tonight. Now we're getting food at the food mart. So I'm going to purchase a slushie and fill it up. Blue raspberry. Let's fill it up. Now I gotta pay for it. It's $1.07. Hands him a $5 bill, and I get $4.93 back in change. I don't know if I was right. No, my change was $3.93. Yeah, my change was $3.93. Thank you. Have a good night, sir. You tell. Alright, now we are exiting. And that was it for the food mart. Next, we are going to fill up diesel fuel. That only says diesel 91 octane because this is a diesel fuel only tank. Hey, fill it up. It says, "Ding, would you like a receipt?" No, I don't need a receipt, but thank you. And that is it for the diesel fuel. To conclude this opening, we have the streets here that lead up to the station. And here is the sign. Regular is $2.57 a gallon. Special is $3.07 a gallon. Super Plus is $3.47 a gallon. And diesel is $3.27 a gallon. Then we have our soft touch car wash. And these are the sidewalk. And that will wrap it up for the opening. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, but before we bring this to a close, I have a couple things to say. The first thing I'm going to say is, my 4-year special will still be coming on Sunday, but that is the last video before I start school again. Now the second thing I have to say is, there will be less frequent Minecraft videos due to the upcoming school year. But don't worry, I'll try my best to open more Minecraft sites and build more places. Anyways, thank you for watching, have a great day, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, everyone!